In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete your Vercel account. If you've decided you no longer need Vercel or you're cleaning up old accounts, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you know exactly what to expect and where to click. First, open your web browser and go to vercel.com. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to delete. If you use multiple accounts or sign in with different providers like GitHub or Google, double check that you're in the correct one because the deletion process is permanent and you won't be able to recover the account later. Once you're on the Vercel dashboard, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your profile section there. This usually includes your profile picture or initials and your name or username. Go ahead and click on that profile area. This is where Vercel keeps your personal account options and settings. After you click your profile, a menu will open with a few options related to your account. Here, look for the small gear icon. The gear icon is the universal symbol for settings, and on Vercel, it opens your personal account settings page. Click that gear icon to move into the settings area, and now you'll be on your account settings page. This page may have several sections, such as general information, security, and billing details. We're interested in the options at the bottom, so start scrolling down the page. Take your time as you scroll and quickly skim what you see, just to make sure you're familiar with what you might be losing access to if you continue with deletion. This can include your projects, deployments, and any configuration tied to this account. As you reach the lower part of the settings page, look for an option that says Delete Personal Account. It's usually placed toward the bottom because it's a sensitive action. When you find that option, pause for a moment and make sure you really want to proceed. Deleting your Vercel account will typically remove your personal profile and may also affect your projects and deployments under that account. If there's anything you want to keep, such as code, environment variables, or configuration, make sure you've backed it up or moved it to another account first. When you're ready, click Delete Personal Account. After you click, Vercel may ask you to confirm this action, possibly by typing in your account name, confirming via email, or acknowledging a warning message. Carefully read any message that appears, since it will explain what will happen to your data and confirm that this action cannot be undone. Follow the prompts to complete the deletion process. Once you've gone through the confirmation steps, your Vercel account will be scheduled for deletion or removed, depending on how Vercel handles it at that time. You may be logged out automatically, and you'll no longer be able to access that account from the dashboard. That's all you need to do. I'm going to walk you through how to delete your Vercel account in a clear, simple way, and now you've seen every step. Open Vercel, go to your profile, open settings with the gear icon, scroll down and choose Delete Personal Account.